I'm David Cusack, Logistic Manager with Tully Nurseries. We're one of the largest nurseries based here in North County Dublin, and we grow and import plants for distribution across the island of Ireland. Our customers are landscapers, retail customers and kind of large garden centres and DIY stores. We operate a fleet, our own transport, so we operate a fleet of 5 rigid trucks, another 5 smaller vans, and then we would have a fleet of forklifts, specialist loading equipment and landscape equipment here on the nursery also. We installed the Rotec Bsmart system in April this year. And really it's given us huge, I suppose, peace of mind, and kind of allows us to plan what we're doing day to day, and kind of forecasting fuel usage, and also charging usage to the different departments, be it landscaping or internal or transport. We get warnings when the fuel comes below a certain level, in this case 20%, so again peace of mind there that we're not running out of fuel. We've increased the size of our tanks from the previous to kind of allow for a growing fleet, and I suppose fuel security as well. There's been times over the past kind of 18 months where we were nervous about getting fuel loads in time, so it's allowed us to have a reserve there so we never run out of fuel. So yeah, between the reporting and the prompts, it's certainly streamlined our operation here and given us kind of peace of mind as well. So.